I'm Gina and I run the business called Heartcraft Girl. Today I wanted to show you about how to make a 4-cup turner using one of my motors. Some of the various things you can make with this are decorating tumblers, and this is one by SMB Creations, and you can tell how the epoxy coating is so smooth, and you can put lots of layers of glitter and vinyl decals. So to get started, you're going to need to get 4 of my motors and then some wood, and in the links below I will show you the dimensions that will work for 4 of them, but you can decide what works for you and how many you would like to have in a row. The board I chose was 23.5 inches, and I used a 2x6, but because I wanted it to be far enough off the ground for the tumblers. So I like to start in 1 inch and then line up the motor right here, and making sure the top of this plate is right at the top of the wood so that it has enough clearance on the other side for the rod and the cup to turn. So you can make your holes right here, and then the way I measured it was 1/4 inch over, and then put your next motor so that on the other side there is 5.5 inches in between each of the rods and each of the motors. Okay, so clamp your 2 pieces of wood together, and then make sure your holes are facing outward because the motor will be facing like this. And you'll want to make sure you have a 90-degree angle so that your cups are level. And then what we're going to do is flip it around and put 4 holes on the back side to connect these 2 pieces of wood together. So I marked them right here, and we'll do pilot holes and then drill them in. So those are the steps in building the 4-motor cuptisserie, and there are directions online for how you can put together a wand for yourself with PVC pipe and attachments. I also have them for sale, and they're specialized just for these motors, and so I was able to do a special mold to make them fit exactly and fit really tightly so that your cups will not fall off. And there's also foam attachments too if you are interested. I'll put the links below. So this is the do-it-yourself version of creating your own cuptisserie and just adding the motors here. It's a lot of hard work, but if you're into that, then you can put it together very easily. Another option is just purchasing the single cup turner. This is the Creative Cuptisserie. You can grab that on Amazon too. So I can't wait to see all your fabulous creations that you're going to make with these.